Well, good morning. It is about 2:35 in the a.m. on Saturday, 9/14/2024. This is William Williams, Philippines. I hope everybody's having a good day and that Friday the 13th didn't get you. I'm really thinking it tried to get me with all the stuff that happened yesterday, but and the day this week. Uh, hey, survived. Alive, kicking. Could have been worse. That's the important thing, is to remember that it could have been worse. Be thankful it wasn't. Uh, but yeah, between having to go down there and getting the procedure and having a ticket on Tuesday, and they drained me on Tuesday for blood. They then I didn't eat anything from Tuesday night at about 11 all the way until sometime 3:30, 4 o'clock on Thursday, and then it took me forever. I didn't even eat a whole pizza in one sitting, and I usually can eat a whole pizza in one sitting without trying. But yeah, I barely got down a quarter of a pizza in one setting, and I had like 4 or 5 settings. But wake up, go to sleep, wake up, go to sleep. That anesthesia they hit me with was definitely trying to put me under. But I can say honestly, I didn't really sleep. I don't feel rested still, and most of yesterday was running around with a complete haze. It's better today, but still, I'm feeling it. Uh, yeah, between all that and then driving back here and checking on the mailbox. Oh yeah, I got the mailbox on saying that they were being canceled by the provider. Anytime is good. The provider here is trying to duck out and get people to come over to the higher dollar I uh, I postal. He works with them too. So this is a provider issue, not the not any time the service. And they actually worked with me through getting mine canceled after I posted yesterday. I, as tired and as messed up as I was then, the lady actually walked me through it and stayed on the phone with me to get me processed in. And now I'm just waiting for the finalization of the what do you call it? There's a form you fill out to have somebody else handle your mail that you have to have with the post office and filed. So yeah, had to get it notarized and all that. So yay! But she walked me through it literally, because I can tell you, I was not in good enough shape to do it by myself. But it got done. So I got a postal box. I actually got an oil change, the tires rotated, had a shimmy at about 75, and I wasn't liking that. And that's what most of the trip down there and back was. And yeah, I'll be making one more. Yeah, got the results from the prostate cancer back in. So yeah, it's been a long week, and I can honestly say I really just need some sleep to actually just go to sleep and sleep, not drop out because I'm knocked out, and but just to actually go to sleep, sleep, and actually get a good solid 8 hours. I need it. I don't know about you, but right now I could really use a solid 8 hours. I actually contemplated not coming to work today, and that's totally not me. I'm like always here. It's one of the reasons I have my shift. I choose this schedule, and to do this shift because it gives me time off during the day on my weekends where I can go do all that stuff I have to go do. That way I can get it done. And that's kind of important. And yeah. Oh, and the router went down. Mm. Apparently, my router has finally give up the ghost, so I'm going to have to get a new router. I was looking at one of those. This week has been expensive. Uh, I went in the hole, and it'll probably take me a couple of paychecks to get back out on this one. But hey, it is what it is, and I'll I'll recover, and I'll still be doing good. That's part of the reason you keep. Oh yeah, an emergency fund. Although I can say this one went more on the credit card. Uh, I don't like having a credit card as being my emergency fund, but my emergency fund has taken a pretty big hit the last 3 4 months, and I'm not happy about it. Between losing a brake, my brakes, and having to go do that, and yeah, how should we say, fun stuff. But I did manage to get that took care of, and so my mailbox is up. I gotta start transferring stuff over to it real quick because that guy at the old site is not not wanting to spend a lot of time helping people over there. Yeah, he causes a problem and then doesn't want to fix it and carry out and take care of fixing it when he created it. Yeah, go crap on, go crap and then not wipe your butt. Boy, I've had so much of that. Even with, uh, I missed my bidet at when I was down there for all that. Because let me tell you, that is horrible to have to wipe your backside that much with sandpaper. I mean, toilet paper. No, sandpaper. Uh, yeah. And then get informed that, hey, come on back in a couple of weeks, we'll take those hemorrhoids out. Huh? Yeah. It is what it is. Uh, life goes on. Hey, laugh at it because it's not going to do any good to cry. Seriously. Uh, and hey, as much as the world tried to kick me sideways or kick me back and knock me down, I just got up and slid sideways instead. I'm still trying to work toward going forward. It's been a bit of a rough process, but progress is being made. Uh, yeah. Just tired. Really tired. But yes, I'm going to try to get out of here in the morning, run to the farmer's market and check them out. Get home and try to cook a piece of steak and some eggs. I don't know, probably some hash browns too. Eat that and go to sleep. Because quite honestly, I just ain't got no enthusiasm. I'll try to get out and do some mowing again. I think maybe this might actually be, if I'm lucky, be the actual last time I have to mow the front yard. I still got to finish all the backyard. But get the front yard and the alleyway took care of, and you know, that probably Sunday. Of course, my new neighbors are just gonna love that. Their problem. Because as soon as I can get there, I'm gonna start mowing, and that will probably be sometime around 8 a.m. on Sunday morning. And hey, it is what it is. Anyway, let's see. What else was there coming up? Oh, prostate cancer. Oh, I think I said that. Came back negative or normal for so whatever that means. Uh, and then I go to, I think my doctor's on the 26th, and then back down there to Lubbock on the 20 or the third or the seventh or sixth, something like. I got it on a piece of paper somewhere. I got to get it into my calendar. There's something else between now and the end of the month. I forget what it is, but it's in my calendar. I saw it vaguely and I remember something there. That's all I'm admitting to at this point. There's a couple of things to get done. It is what it is. Anyway, please hit the like button and comment and subscribe. Oh, I messed up on a couple of comments, so if I didn't get to you this week, I'm sorry. It's been a real messed up week, uh, and having the mind get kind of scrambled from the anesthesia doesn't help a lot. I'm already scatterbrained. I don't need any help. This didn't help. Or this helped way too much in that area. I don't know how to put it. Anyway, uh, I'll try to go back and filter through that tomorrow or something the next day or so. See if I can find them again. I think I got them in the comments. I put them into my comments folder, but I'm not guaranteeing anything right now. There was a space there where it was kind of erased and foggy. And I'm not so sure it was really erased as it was just kind of made foggy. Very foggy. Anyway, Williams, Philippines. Later blessings. Bye bye. I'm Fish and Fish is out.